Okay, so as I was trying to finish off there before my video ended there. So rusting and tarnishing is a color change that is also difficult to reverse. Another thing that is difficult to reverse that you're going to see referred to quite a bit is anytime you are cooking something. So cooking something is essentially a chemical change that cannot be reversed. So think of cooking an egg, right? So and that's also a color change. Usually you have a color change or an odor change as well. So if you think of an egg, right, the egg white before it's cooked is colorless, and then when it's cooked, it's opaque and it is white. And it's you essentially cannot go back into that raw format. So cooking or toasting or roasting, right? Like if I'm trying to toast bread, I have a color change and it's difficult to reverse. Okay, so the evidence of being difficult to reverse can be used for these items here. So anytime you're cooking something or something is rusted, but usually that also goes hand in hand with a color change. Okay, even something such as like digestion. So when we digest our food, right, you definitely have a color change. There's lots of things that happen in the digestion process, but really we have a whole bunch of different chemical reactions that happen in our bodies to get the nutrients out of our food. So digestion can also be referred to as a change that is difficult to reverse when looking at chemical changes.